first time using the machine, right? So when we first started using this motherfucker, I don't really know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just going off of what I saw on YouTube. I'm like, shit, the nigga on YouTube said do it like this, connect this, and connect this. So nigga, what happened was I plugged the motherfucker up. I had plugged it into an extension cord, it didn't work. I was like, all right, cool. I was like, damn, man, like, shit ain't working. I said, okay, cool. Let me try another way. I tried another way. I was like, damn, this motherfucking thing still not powering up. I said, it must not be getting enough power. So I plugged it into the wall directly. Now, when we plug it into the wall directly, it don't tell you that you don't supposed to plug them motherfuckers in the wall directly, both of them. It just say plug them motherfuckers up to get quick results. Nigga, the first warning was my motherfucking light started blinking. I was like, oh shit. My motherfucking lights blinking. I was like, fuck. I was like, this motherfucker must be putting out too much power. I was like, okay, whatever. We're gonna give it a little more time. Alright. 3 minutes later, came up, nigga, lights out. All the lights out. I mean, every single one of these motherfuckers went out. It broke my motherfucking breaker, dog. It broke my breaker. So I'm in this bitch in the dark trying to record a fucking YouTube video, nigga, for a fucking fog machine that I barely can use because of my damn house. So, nigga, it's too fun. I'm like, bro, this shit crazy. Imagine me being at the wedding, nigga, I knocked all the fucking lights out, nigga. All the lights, oh, it'd be a sad day in America, dog.